Hi everyone,
Hey there, how you going?
we're Sanctuary Islands and we're back with another unboxing video.
That's right, this time we've got a plasma rifle from the Fallout series. Now this rifle is pretty much a replica, and it's a 1-to-1 size replica, so you'll see how big it is when we start
And
showing
this was
you.
a birthday present from my dad here.
And mum, of course.
Yeah.
So happy birthday, Samuel, and hope you have many more years to come with a lot of happiness. And this is obviously part of it, so you're enjoying doing these videos. So we'll just basically now move into the unboxing. We'll show you what the box looks like first. It's a pretty big box, so bear with me for a sec while I grab the box. And here you go. This is the box right here. As you can see, Fallout plasma rifle. Pretty big box. So that's the box that it came in. Now, it came in two parts, and it requires a little bit of assembly, so it's not too bad.
Like
but,
those screws over there.
yeah, which we're going to show very shortly. But first of all, we're going to show both parts. So I'll grab the first part, which is just down here. Now, the first part is obviously the butt and the pistol handle. So you've got your scope here as well, as you can see. Now, the good thing about this is you press this button right here and it lights up. How cool is that, eh?
And this is the second part to complete the rifle.
That's right. That's why it's pretty much like a sniper rifle when you think about it. So pretty much goes like that.
Looks like when you assemble it.
And as you can see, it is pretty long, right? So what we'll do is we'll put it together, and comes with these screws right here.
And instructions.
And instructions, of course. So let's open it up and have a look. I'll get the instructions out because I'm a bit of an instructions man, so I want to make sure I read it
And also I
correctly.
don't trust myself.
Yeah, well, that too. So as you can see, that's the instructions right there. And I'm going to build it, hopefully, according to the instructions. So let's see. First things first. Oh, and the battery goes at the bottom. Where is it?
There's no battery.
Yeah, there is. Battery goes at the bottom here somewhere. Oh, probably in that section there. Okay, so let's go forward. So that basically turns around this way, and let's get it drawn up like that. All right.
So now we are going to assemble it.
Yes. Wish us luck.
Now, of course, he's going to do all the work because,
Yes.
yeah, for privacy reasons.
Privacy reasons.
Yeah.
What's going on with privacy?
I mean, for reasons.
For main reasons. Okay, so basically we're going to get the first screw to go in there, and I think it goes, where's it go? Connect the barrel, fasten the bolt and hex nut. Okay, so I'm assuming you put the bolt in this way, right?
And then I think
And then,
that goes in like so.
which,
That's the wrong way.
yes it is, very good. So we'll go like this, and maybe it doesn't go in like
Oh,
that.
no, hang on.
Oh yeah, got it. I just got to push it in.
Then you got to put the bolt in.
Yeah, what we'll do is we'll just get two screws in there first to hold it up. Because otherwise,
It's not going to stay.
that's right. Oh. Nearly lost the nut. Nearly lost my nut. Yeah, I do that quite a bit. Okay, apparently. So then we basically screw it on, like so. I've got too many things in my hand, but that's okay. There we go. Tighten that on.
We're back again and we have assembled the plasma rifle.
As you can see, it's pretty long
Yeah.
because it is a plasma sniper rifle.
And there's a scope here.
When you think about it. So of course, as you know, this button here presses the lights. So you can basically hold it like so. And pretend.
Oh, and if you live in Australia or any other kind, you can find this at EB Games or GameStop.
That's right. Now, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Took us a little while
Sorry
to get
for
together.
the thing, because it took us
Took us a while. I had to use adjustable spanner to basically tighten it up. Now, make sure if you do use an adjustable spanner, because it's plastic, you don't want to over tighten it because it will break. Okay, that's just a bit of a point from us. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and please wish my son a happy birthday for today. And subscribe. Don't forget to comment below.
And we are aiming for 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, let's try and get 1,000 subscribers, guys. I mean, we are pretty smallish side at the moment.
Yeah, but we're going to get bigger.
Obviously, we will, yeah, as we go along. So, yeah, please subscribe. Tell all your friends, and hope you enjoyed the video.
Oh, and to make you happy, there'll be a Fortnite video coming.
That's right. There'll be one incoming very soon. So, we'll sign off for now, and Sanctuary Islands again. So, see you later. Bye.